Question 7, it says the diagram shows a triangle drawn on a grid of centimetre squares, and it says give the special name for this type of diagram, of this type of triangle I should say, pardon me. So what are 3 types of triangle? Isosceles, equilateral and scalene. What's scalene? Scalene is when all the different sides of the triangle have different lengths and essentially different angles. Isosceles, when you have 2 sides of equal length, i.e. two same angles, and one length which is different to this. And equilateral is when all 3 lengths and all 3 angles are the same. So let's give it a quick measure. Get out your ruler here. So we can see that this side is about 4.7 centimeters. This side is 4, and this side is 3. All 3 sides are of different length, so this means it's a scalene triangle. And then it says measure the size of the angle marked by the letter A. So again we get our protractor and measuring the angle. We bring this here, line it up effectively here, and we see that the angle is approximately, getting this correct, it is approximately 63 degrees. Sorry, I didn't realise you couldn't see that. So this angle here is approximately 63 degrees. Essentially, if you're not familiar with this method, well, not a method as such, this technique, really I suggest that you really go look in textbooks, revision books, past papers, and just make sure you're comfortable with using a protractor, a ruler, a compass, because something like this is bound to come up. If you know how to do it, it's 3 marks, 4 marks, 5 marks, which are applicable to you. And then what type of angle have you measured? Well, what do we know about angles? Well, if you imagine this here, any angle between here and here is known as acute. Any angle between here and here is known as obtuse. Any angle between here and here is known as reflex. So basically, if we have an angle which goes from here to here, this is acute. If it goes from here to here, anywhere between here and here, this is obtuse. And if it goes anywhere between here and here, this is reflex. So acute is between 0 and 90. This is between 90 and 180. This is between 180 and 270 respectively. I mean between 0 and less than or equal to 90, greater than 90 and less than 180, and greater than 180, less than 90, greater than 90 I should say, and less than or equal to 180. This is greater than 180 and less than or equal to 270.